Good morning, crafty friends. Happy Sunday. It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm on this morning with a video response to a challenge that I'm entering, and this is for Sheila, who is Country Girl First here on YouTube. So this is what I made Sheila. So I'm going to go ahead and just share really quick what's in my loaded envelope. So the first thing I made for her entry is this memory dex card. This is what she wanted, a memory dex card. So what I use for this whole collection is the Prima Lavender collection. I actually put the paper pad away, so I can't show you that, but it's the Prima Lavender collection. And I have like the chipboard die cuts and the flowers, and I have some stickers from the same collection, so I just kind of use those to add some dimension on the memory decks. And this is a butterfly die that I found in my stash, and I did not pull that cutting die, sorry. So anyway, it's a layered die, so I used the Prima paper as the solid cutout, and then I used gold glitter for the layer, and then I just put some glitter tool in the back, white glitter tool in the back. And so this is how the memory dex card turned out, and then I just have all my information in the back for her. So I like how this turned out. It's a different style than how I create, but it was really fun making this. So this is the memory dex card for Sheila. And then I did make some extra goodies for her here. And if you're following me on the No Buy November collab, you'll see that I'm incorporating what I'm making on the Saturday collab and using it towards challenges and other swaps that I'm in. So this week 3 was to make bags or bag toppers, and so I made bag toppers. And so the video, I'll link that video down below if you want to see my project share. So I made this bag topper in mind that I was gonna send this to Sheila, and so I went ahead and packaged it. And this is another bag topper that I made in the No Buy November collab. So I just put it together. So I'm gonna send her this bag topper, and then I also made her a set of bows here. And these bow dies are just from my stash. I did pull that up because I just made that this morning, and so it's just, oops, I don't even remember where I got this from. It's just this one here with this scalloped edges with some dots. I used the largest die in this set. And so I made her a set of 4, and then I used my pearl buttons, and then another bag topper that I made for my No Buy November collab. So I made her that. And then this is some bag toppers here again I made yesterday for her. And so I just packaged them up and used another bag topper that I created. And so I'm going to gift her those as well. And then this is just my envelope I made. And I just used one of the journaling cards that came in the collection and cut it out with a scalloped oval. And then I used these frame tag dies here that I found in my stash this morning that I've had for a while, which is this set here. I just used the biggest and then the second to the biggest. Layered it. The first layer was some ivory cardstock. Then I distressed it with some vintage photo distress ink. Then I layered it with the second to the largest, and I used the Prima lavender paper pad. And then this was cut out from my, like I said, the journaling card. Then I just put on a bow, a glittered bow, and on this I distressed the second layer. I used my Nouveau, and I don't even know what color this is, honey gold, just to give it more sparkle. I did that on the second layer there. I distressed the envelope for her, and this is my entry. So I hope she likes my entry. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the mail tomorrow. This is a very fun challenge. I had fun creating all these goodies for her. I'm gonna link her channel down below. Y'all have a great Sunday, and I will talk to you all soon. Stay crafty, my friends. Bye.